What's good, y'all? Back at it again, you feel me? You already know what we finna be riding. You already know. Big Woody. Nice little ting right there. Fusky. But yeah, not much to talk about. We finna get right into it. Finna get this swerving. Alright, y'all. Finna be out. Car behind me. I'm sorry about the wind audio, by the way. It's a little windy out here. Funny hop, little song slide. Whoa. Look how grip. Damn, spit it out. Look where I placed my hand back on the handlebars. I was about to slip off. That's like some of my time, I ain't gonna lie. Okay, got some little wheels on it. Okay. Automatic. Stock is off, so I think I only got wheels. They clean. Like I said, I'm gonna be like looking at cars and stuff on this channel too. Soon on my license, like a car channel. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I'm tired. Oh, I ate a little bit. I ain't in the wind. One hand? Yes, sir. Oh! Should've just went with it. Oh, they used to been able to control that, but it's too windy. Plus, I'm too tired. He just needs to get an exhaust and some wheels. He be chilling. Hey, one day y'all, I'm finna go on roads and Willie, but that's in the summertime. Oh! Why, Wendy? Control that. I like single gear bikes though, y'all. I hate gear bikes just cause the maintenance and everything. That's all. That's the only reason. I've had bad experiences with them too. That's also another reason. I don't have peg work on worm, low key. Okay, got through that. That was low key tight. Just like this. Oh, I didn't think I was gonna make it. Oh, I thought I was finna mac. And these handlebars are big as hell from a 20-inch. These must. Flex on them real quick. Windy Mills, Windy Mills. Hey, nigga. You see, I ain't even pedaling, the wind is pushing me.